I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com, and I'm here at a new home site. It's actually my daughter and son-in-law's new home in Down East, Maine. I want to talk a little bit about cast iron drain pipes. Now, it's a little windy here today, so that's what all that noise is in the background, but let's get started. First of all, this is going to be the first of a series of videos that I'm going to do about cast iron drain lines. So let's talk a little bit about it. Okay, so here is a cast iron stack. This is going to be the drain line right here for a sink that's going to be just opposite their laundry room. But very interesting pipe. That's a 2-inch pipe right there that goes down into the basement. And, you know, this pipe here comes up. This is the vent pipe for it. Comes across. And, of course, it connects on up and goes on up, 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 up. You know, and it eventually is going to go out to the roof way up above. But here's what's interesting. Check this pipe out. Notice how you make the connections. These are very ingenious stainless steel band clamps, and behind the stainless steel, right up in here, is a rubber seal. And you turn these clamps, you know, you have just like a, you know, a little nut driver, and you can see it there. And of course it tightens it up and makes them completely leak-proof. No sewer gas, no water leaks out. Really, really an amazing system. One of the advantages of these, just so you know, is that if you were to make this connection with PVC and you glued these two together, this pipe, this T-fitting to the piece of pipe, and you didn't have it aligned right, well, you're going to get your saw and you're going to cut it out. If something's wrong with the alignment, you just have to loosen up these nuts and twist it and tighten it back up and you're good to go. So that's one of the advantages of cast iron. Another great advantage is cast iron doesn't burn. And when the PVC pipe burns, guess what? It makes a toxic gas. Really, really deadly. And then, of course, what I love is down here, you know, right where the pipe passes through the plate, if the carpenters come in later, and even if you have, let me show you this. When they go to put in the woodwork, what can happen is, typically they'll put a steel plate here, if this is a PVC pipe, to make sure that a nail doesn't penetrate into the PVC pipe and create a leak. Well, guess what? That's fine if the nails stay down low. What happens if the carpenter puts a nail right through here? Well, with cast iron it doesn't make any difference because the nail's going to bend. You will never drive a nail through this cast iron pipe. So that's another reason why I love using cast iron. It's a little bit more money than PVC, but I'll tell you right now, it's really, really well worth the price. So what did you think? Cast iron, pretty interesting material, isn't it? Here's one of the best things I like about it. So cast iron is quiet. Have you ever been at someone's home, or maybe it's in your own home, someone flushes a toilet upstairs, and all of a sudden you hear water running down the wall? Well, that's caused because PVC is so lightweight, it acts like a drum when the water is crashing down the pipe. It vibrates the pipe, that's why you hear the water. You do not hear that type of noise with cast iron. So, get this. Let's say you can't afford to have cast iron put throughout your entire home. No problem. They make adapters to switch between cast iron and plastic. So all you have to do is have your plumber put cast iron in the vertical stacks in the wall that have toilet water coming down them, and maybe across the ceiling where the pipe goes to the toilet. If you do that, you're not going to have any noise issues. So keep that tip in mind. I also want to let you know, I'm going to be doing more videos about cast iron pipe. I'm going to show you all different types of things, how we put it together, just different aspects. But stand by for those videos. I don't have them ready just yet. And remember, I've been a master plumber. Whoa, it's a little windy here today. I've been a master plumber since age 29, so I know a little bit about cast iron and PVC. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.